Today, we started by briefly going over the topic from yesterday. After that, we played a game of four corners which helped the students learn some vocabulary of animals. Then we read a book about transportation where the students would have to repeat the words and point to the correct images. Finally, we played a few games of bowling which students really enjoyed. Yes, good job, Prom. So, a station is usually where we catch the trains, right? So it's about a train, I think. Let's see. It could be a station early in the morning. See the little puffer trains all in a row. See the engine driver pull out his handle. Chuff, chuff, chuff. And away we go. So, have a look. What type of transport? You point out the tractors. Very good. How many tractors do we see? 4? Really? I think it's 1, 2, 3 tractors. Okay, what color are they? Red and green. Very good. Well done.